Welcome back. This is Luisa Turnip. Let's talk about prenuptial agreement, postnuptial agreement. What do we do with it and what is it and why do family want to conclude this in their marriage? First of all, let's see what the definition. The definition is a contract made by parties, which the parties are husband and wife. Can be in the form of separating asset, liability, debt, and regulating child custody, everything that deemed to be important to be stipulated in the agreement for during that marriage and after that marriage. What I mean by that, what to do, what is the right and what is the obligations or duty of each of these parties. So what is that for? Why? I know this kind of agreement used to be taboo. However, it's becoming more popular and more couples, not only for foreigner who marry in Indonesia, splitting their asset, but as well Indonesian people are more educated, more rational and realistic, know that family do went to separation. So in minimizing risk and just want to make sure everything clear from the start, so they regulate in a form of contract. So prenuptial agreement made before marriage occurred and postnuptial agreement made after the marriage. So what is in the agreement? Well, everything can be house, can be land, can be cars, it can be motorbike, can be sofa, can be bed, or can be some antique object that deemed to have some relations that they want to make sure to be included in the agreement based on their consent. And as well some asset that not necessarily feasible or you can touch. For example, portfolio of investment on what to do with debt and who is responsible for who and what is what. So everything will be stipulated in the contract, and then after that contract made by lawyer, then notarized by notary. So it can be made directly by notary. However, when it comes to drafting contract, of course, lawyers are more expert in this department. So in Indonesia, usually foreigners, of course, definitely must do this. Why? Because foreigner, if they want to purchase land, for example, foreigners cannot have the freehold title land. So they decide the wife to buy with the present of